Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the most fabulous, the most infamous, the most affordable e.l.f. brand and their new line Jelly Pop. Jelly Pop, I said Jelly Pop, Jelly Pop, Jelly Pop. We're going to be reviewing Jelly Pop. And I created this look right here using these products. And so if you are interested, continue to watch, and also you will know if I approve of the line or not. So if you're interested, continue. And today we have our cat ears. Brrr. They have nothing to do with the video at all. I just thought I'd show them off because they are super cute. Anyways, as you know, today we are doing the Jelly Pop e.l.f. face kit, and we have the moisturizer. So let's get into it. I love the packaging, by the way. It's super freaking cute, right? Like different from the regular e.l.f. pitch black packaging. So I love it. The cute red type of look. And it says e.l.f. is cruelty free, which I didn't even know, which is super awesome. And it says, don't mess with my skincare. That's so cute. So you have to peel it off first. So let's see how this feels. So my face is, I have a really dry face, honestly. So we're gonna see how this works. So this is what the product looks like. And I'm gonna, oh, it says shake before use. Uh-oh, it already messed up step 1. So I'm gonna shake this bad boy. So, there you go. The top literally just fell. So if you heard that, that was literally the top. And it feels really cool. Like, it feels like cool. So it feels really watery. It smells good. It smells like watermelon. It smells like watermelon. It's really like, it's really light. It feels really lightweight, and it's, I don't know, the only way I can describe it is like watery. So I put a generous amount on my face, but it feels really good. This glow, I feel like this is a glow. Like, I feel like this is a difference before I first came on here. So I would definitely say it's a glow. It's not sticky or anything like that. So I actually like this. And this right here was $8, and you had to buy it separately. So, oh, it says Water Gel Moisturizer. That's why it's watery. Duh, I gotta start reading these things, okay? So next, I'm gonna move on to the Dew Primer. So, focus, please. So this is the consistency. It's definitely a lot more gooier, for lack of better terms, than the moisturizer. So it's thicker, sticky. Literally, I'm just being so generous with this stuff, like, I don't know. So we have that on our face. Now it's super sticky. And it's supposed to be sticky because it's supposed to help like your makeup stick to it. So let's test it out. Your like foundation. So we are going in with Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite foundation. Oh my gosh, I look so much better. I'm so happy I put my foundation on. Like, yay. My skin tone looks even now. Anyways, so I do feel like The primer is really amazing because I feel like because of the stickiness and the texture of the primer, my foundation has literally like stuck to the primer, which is on my face. So I feel like I will literally get a longer wear out of my foundation. So that's amazing. Yes, e.l.f. come through. e.l.f. coming through with the affordables, and you still popping. Next we have the face and the eye gloss, and I'm super excited for this product because I've never tried any gloss of any sort. So this is like a virgin trying something is going to give you your honest opinion, because I honestly have never tried anything like this. So we're going to start by putting this on our, it says face and eye gloss, gives a sheer wash of shimmer to the cheeks and eyes, creating a mesmerizing, glistening, dewy effect. Okay, dab lightly onto cheeks and eyes using fingers. It says best worn alone for natural dewy look. Although we have foundation on right now, we're still gonna try this. Oh my gosh, wish you guys can like, can you guys see that? It is the prettiest, like, it's the prettiest thing ever. Okay, so let's see how it looks on my skin. Let's see. It's gluey too. Like, this is a jelly is the perfect name for this line. So let's put it on our, ooh. Did I put a lot or did I put a lot? Try to blend that out a little bit, because I really did put a lot. So when you use this, make sure you use a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. So yes, this, like, I'm gonna let it set in and let it dry a little bit. So let's move on to the eyes. And I totally don't have a mirror, so I'm using the camera as my mirror. This is so, like, pretty. Like, just look at it. It's so pretty. You get like this, like, wet type of, you know, it reminds me of like Kim Kardashian, how she went to the gala and she had that like wet look. That's what this reminds me of, like a wet type of, like, mermaid, you know, look. I can honestly say I love this, like, wet, like, shimmery look. It's super, super cute. It's super new for me, and I feel like it's really cute. A more of a natural type of glow. And I even feel like you can, like, use this, you know, on your body as well. Like, let's see if it's gonna give me that. Ooh. So I wouldn't say you could use this for more than just your face and your eyes. You can actually use this on your body as well, and your whole entire body will have like this beautiful glow. We use a dab on my nose. You go, girl. Okay, so lastly we have the jelly gloss. Let's see if this is gonna give my lips that glossy pop that it desperately needs right now. It says cherry pop. Oh, this smells so good. The scent isn't overpowering. It's like just right. Okay. I'm gonna sit here and put on a little bit of eyeliner and lashes. Literally, I am absolutely loving the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. Like, for the price, oh my gosh, like higher end brands could totally mark this up 3 times the price and sell it. Like, from the eyes to the cheeks to the lips, popping. Okay, yes, I even put some on my chest right here, and as you can see, it's glistening as well. Like, oh, they did its thing. I love it. This is great for beginners, for advanced people. Basically, if you want more of a natural look without doing too much work but you still killing it, this is the face kit for you. Get the moisturizer to go with it. It's only $8 more. I'm even gonna go a step further just because I'm just really seriously loving this face and eye gloss. I'm gonna put some on my lower lash line because I just want to be like a glossy mermaid today. Like, don't judge me, okay? I'm just going to literally experiment with you guys here, and I can't even see what I'm doing, but you guys see that? Do you see that? Oh, y'all gonna have to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and let me know. Like, I'm coming through today. What? The tea for y'all. The face kit is only $15. Oh, that pigment though, like, as you can see, the gloss shows up. Oh, I think I'm in love with face and eye gloss. Like, I don't know, I think I'm in love with this. Like, let's just take a second. Like, $15, $8. e.l.f. killed this. I'm loving this. I'm so happy I made this purchase. I bought all this stuff on my own money. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and watching me glam up